Hey everyone, I'm Alice, and welcome back to Korean Ladder, the radio show where we climb one Korean rung at a time.
안녕하세요. 저는 하나예요. Today we are learning the quiet manners that make a Korean meal feel respectful.
안녕하세요. 저는 준호예요. We will talk about spoons, drinks, and the shared rhythm of the table.
I have a real question. If I sit down at a Korean dinner and I am hungry, can I just pick up my spoon and start eating?
Usually, no. When an elder is at the table, we wait until the eldest person lifts their spoon first.
This is not about being stiff. It is a small way to show respect. In Korean, 어른 means an elder or respected adult.
Our keeper sentence is 어른 먼저 드세요. In English, elders, please eat first, or please go ahead and eat first.
Let's break that sentence into three useful parts.
어른 means elder. 먼저 means first. 드세요 is the respectful way to say, please eat.
So if my friend's grandmother is at the table, I should not be the first person with the spoon.
Right. You can quietly watch the table. When the eldest lifts the spoon, everyone can begin naturally.
If you want to be polite, you can say 어른 먼저 드세요. Or to one elder, 먼저 드세요.
먼저 드세요. That sounds short enough to actually use at dinner.
Good. Now the second table manner is drinks. You usually pour for elders before yourself, and you use two hands.
두 손으로 means with two hands. You may hold the bottle with both hands, or pour with one hand, or pour with one hand, while the other hand supports your wrist or arm.
So I should not casually pour with one hand like I am filling a water bottle at home.
Exactly. The two hands make the same action feel warmer and more respectful.
One more important point. At a drinking table, you usually do not fill your own glass. Someone pours for you, and you pour for others.
That makes the meal feel less individual. Everyone is watching out for each other.
Yes. And the third table manner is pace. You do not race ahead, finish early, and leave the elder behind.
천천히 is slowly. 같이 is together. A Korean meal often feels best when the table moves together.
So the big idea is not just elders first. It is elders first, two hands for drinks, and don't rush the shared meal.
Now let's hear a short dinner scene. Hana and I will use the phrases naturally.
이모님, 먼저 드세요.
제가 먼저 따라드릴게요.
두 손으로 따라드리면 좋아요.
네, 천천히 같이 먹어요.
I heard. 먼저 드세요. 따라 드릴게요. And 천천히 같이 먹어요. Those are all table rhythm phrases.
Good listening. Notice that 드릴게요 is used when I do something for someone respectfully, like pouring a drink for an elder.
Now try the keeper sentence after Hana. Keep it calm and warm.
어른 먼저 드세요.
어른 먼저 드세요.
좋아요. One small thing. Do not rush. 먼저. Give it a clear middle beat. Then soften. 드세요.
먼저 드세요. 어른 먼저 드세요.
완벽해요. That sounds natural and respectful.
Now the common English speaker mistake. Starting first, pouring for yourself first, or eating much faster than everyone else can feel disconnected from the table.
So even if nobody says anything, I should read the table. Wait, serve elders first and stay with the pace.
맞아요. If you are unsure, quietly follow what the Korean hosts do. That is often the safest and most natural choice.
Let's check your instinct. Choose the most natural action for a younger guest at dinner with elders.
I choose A. Wait, and when the elder starts eating, eat together.
정답은 A예요. The answer is A. 유민이 한계사고인 많아서 안 해. You wait, then eat, then together when the elder begins. The 안차파굴 사. A. 유민이 하나. You wait, then eat together when the elder begins.
B is too direct for this setting, and C is the drink mistake. A shows respect without making a big announcement.
Let's lock in the core ideas. First, 어른 먼저 드세요. Elders eat first, so wait for the eldest person's spoon.
Second, 두 손으로 따라드려요. Pour for elders with two hands because the gesture carries respect.
Third, 내 잔은 내가 먼저 따르지 않아요. Do not fill your own glass first. Pour for others and receive from others.
Fourth, 천천히 같이 먹어요. Eat slowly together because the meal is shared time, not a race.
My keeper sentence is 어른 먼저 드세요. I can use it and I can also remember the table rhythm behind it.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. 어른 먼저 드세요. Remember this one sentence and let the table move together.
다음에 또 만나요. Next time we will learn 잘 먹겠습니다. The phrase Koreans say before eating.
That's our rung for today. Thanks for climbing with us on Korean Ladder. At your next Korean meal, wait for the spoon and move with the table. 안녕히 계세요.